Hello and welcome to Tuesday Seeds. Today, Uriah Israel will be sharing part 3 about growing in sandy soil with a focus on planting sweet potatoes. So please stay tuned.
All right. A couple of weeks ago, I had talked about starting some sweet potatoes slips from your sweet potatoes. And so today I'm actually going to plant some in this bed that I have here. And as you can see, they've grown roots. And so I added the soil here. And I'm just going to put these guys in. As you can see, the root systems on them. So I'm going to plant these in this bed. I moistened it up. I added some sand. It already had some pretty good compost in it. And so I'm going to go ahead and plant these guys and let God do the rest, right? Because these are his plants. I didn't make them. No man made them. And so here we go. We're planting today. And we're going to see what the outcome is. We're going to give it a little bit of time, and then I'll probably come back here and show you how everything is doing. I am also going to mulch this bed. As you can see, it's pretty bare. I'm going to hold this up so you can see it. So it's pretty bare. And once I finish planting the sweet potatoes, I will add some straw on top so that it just doesn't dry out, okay? And so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm actually planting sweet potatoes. So say, hey, what is Uriah doing? Planting sweet potatoes. So here we go. This is a cool activity for you and your children. Sweet potatoes is like a superfood. This is a great little superfood, great activity for you and your family. Don't need seeds. You just need 1 or 2 sweet potatoes to do this. And you can grow your own bed of sweet potatoes just like they do in the supermarket. All right. So I planted this guy all up. I'm going to add some more water to it. And then what I'm going to do is add some straw to the top to be a mulch covering so that the soil doesn't just dry out. And I'll probably give you guys an update in about a month to see what it looks like. Okay? All right.